we are going to discuss Stokes' law. What is Stokes' law? According to Stokes' law, if a small ball is falling in a viscous medium of infinite extension with a terminal velocity v, then the viscous drag, the viscous force acting on this ball is given by, this viscous force is equal to 6 pi eta rv, where r is the radius of this ball, b is the terminal velocity, and eta is the coefficient of viscosity. Its proof can be obtained by the application of dimensions. We know that this force depends upon coefficient of viscosity to the power a, r to the power b, and velocity to the power c. Then f is equal to some constant. This one is dimensionless constant, e to the power a, r to the power b, and b to the power c. Writing the dimensions on both sides, what we may write? This one is mlt minus 2, and this is dimensionless constant. The dimensional formula of coefficient of viscosity is ml minus 1 t minus 1 whole to the power a. Radius is what? L to the power b, and velocity is what? L t minus 1 to the power c. So overall, this can be written as m to the power a, and here L to the power minus a, L to the power b means plus b, and L to the power c. And what about t? T to the power minus a, and here it is minus c. So comparing the powers of m, l and t on both sides, what we can write? Here we are seeing that a is equal to 1, minus a plus b plus c is equal to 1. And what about minus a minus c? Minus a minus c is equal to minus 2. So a is equal to 1 means from this minus 1 minus c is equal to minus 2. So minus c is equal to minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1. So c is equal to 1. Putting the value of a is equal to 1 and c is equal to 1. Minus 1 plus 1 will be cancelled with each other, and you are left with b is equal to 1. Means a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to. So from this relation, what you can write? F is equal to k, eta, r and v. Actually, this can be obtained experimentally, and its value come to 6 pi. So viscous force is given by 6 pi eta r. This is all about Stokes. Thanks.